This tutorial covers the positioning and fixation of the PVC pull-in tube and the lamination ring during transradial socket fabrication. First, insert the PVC connection tube into the inner socket. Then, screw the inner and outer socket together to ensure correct positioning. The tube should lie flat against the outer socket. Shorten it to the required length if necessary. Use the magnetic centering aid to determine the exact drilling position for the tube. Mark the position for the charging receptacle. Drill both holes at the marked positions and use a rotary tool to mill the shapes. Next, glue the PVC tube in place using an appropriate two-component adhesive such as Ottobock 636K49 SuperGlue. Then, glue in the lamination ring. Make sure it is inserted straight and is flush with the distal edge of the socket. Apply superglue from the top side as well to secure the tube from both ends,